Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add timestamps to photos on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So first open the camera app and then tap on the settings icon on your screen. In your camera settings menu, select Watermark and you need to turn it on. So just tap on the toggle to enable it. Then on the preview you should see it stopped being grayed out. To add the date and time, just select the two options, and then you also have the option of removing the model name. So you can have it there or not there, and you can see your selections happening on the preview. Then you can also choose to change the font. So you can use the default font, or you can use any other fonts you're given. And you can also choose to change the alignment. So you can have it left, in the center, or on the right, at the bottom, or at the top. So it's up to you to decide where it is you want the date and time to be. Then when you're done, you can just go back to the camera. And now, when you take a photo, like that, and you open it in the camera roll, you should see the date and timestamp on the photo right there. Another way you can add a date and timestamp is by adding it to an already existing photo. So open the gallery app and then select a photo. From here, tap on the edit icon, and in the editing menu, look for the option that allows you to add text, and then tap on it. Then you can select text from the three options you're given, and then type in whatever it is you like. So in this case, we'll be typing in the date stamp and the timestamp as well if you want. Then you can change the font of the stamp. You can also change the color of the letters. So it's up to you to customize this to your liking. Then you also have the option of moving it around on your screen. So you can place it wherever it is you like. You can use these handles to increase the size and then place it there, or you can just decrease the size completely. So it's up to you to decide how you wish to customize it. And when you're done, tap on save at the top of your screen, or you can just tap on the three dots and then choose to save as copy. So now you should see your photo with the date stamp on it, and it will be next to the already existing photo you've just customized. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.